actually think that actually it's quite cruel to do such thing, to take photograph on his last days, that kind of thing. But I try to be positive, but at least we have his last photo for memories when he's really gone.
I'm happy. And I see எனக்கு அந்த ஃபோட்டோ பார்க்குறப்ப எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அட்லீஸ்ட் இப்படி ஃபோட்டோவில் இருக்கானே, அப்போ இப்போ வரைக்கும் என்னால் அதை நம்ப முடியல. அவன் வந்து இல்லை அப்படின்னு என்னால் நம்ப முடியல. அதனால் இது யார் இது?
What they'll talk about with me is like, what must he have been thinking? Like he's smiling, but what must have been running through his mind? You know, and they feel very moved that their family member would do this, would go through this for them, because they're all convinced that it is a very harrowing experience for the prisoner and a very dissociating one, but that they do it for their loved ones. Sometimes they'll do a particular pose or wear something that means something to a family member. And so I think that the photos are also like love letters to them, right? Like they're acts of communication.